So at Etutor254, which are the varieties of Napier do we have? You can be able to see we have this green Napier, which you call it as DHN6, with a crude protein of around 19%. It's very palatable. And then over here, you can be able to see the red Australian Napier or the purple Napier. Now, I wanted to show you the different varieties that we have in this farm and the advantages of each. So we have the DHN6 that I was talking about. Kameramani, unaweza onyesha yenye ni fupi hapo, that is the DHN6. Which has a crude protein of around 19%. It's very good with dairy cows, but this one specifically should not be planted on dry areas because it's water hungry. And then we have the Super Napier with a crude protein of around 16%. We have the Juncao with a crude protein of around 16. This one is very resistant in dry areas. And then we have the Super K vines. Super K vines, as I told you guys earlier, this is tuberless vines with a crude protein between 20 to 24%. We have the red Australian Napier, the one that you can be able to see over here, with a crude protein between 19 to 24%, depending on the time that you harvest. Then we have the Indonesian Dwarf. Indonesian Dwarf ni hii hapa. This is very good with dairy goats. With dairy goats, it's very good. And then we also have another Napier from India that is called Bajra, also good with goats. These two, they are very drought resistant and also very good with goats and sheep. Very good. So if maybe you want a given information about this Napier, we have our website. You can be able to visit our website, that is dairyfarm.etu.54.com/Napier. I've already summarized all the Napier, how you can be able to plant them, the crude protein, the energy level, how you can be able to help you reduce the cost of production. If you need either of these Napier or the 7 that we have over here, we have the cuttings, and this cutting can be delivered all over East Africa.